Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a brand new Amazon Fire HD 8. So this is a brand new tablet I got, which is just going to be replacing the one I'm filming on. Let's go and start unboxing, shall we? And set it up. It's going to be much faster than this one I've currently got. Here we go, start the packet. Oh, nice and shiny, look at that. Nice and shiny lettering. I like nice and shiny lettering. And a nice and shiny picture of the tablet. Got a real nice shine. Let's go and open this baby up. Oh wow, look at that. Look how shiny. I wonder if it'll fit in. I don't think it's going to fit in there, but after I've done unboxing this I'll be putting it back in the box. Oh well. No, it don't fit. The Amazon logo. Wow, screen's nice and shiny. Does it come with a screen protector? That's a friend that sent me a message. English United Kingdom. United Kingdom. That looks perfect. Press continue. That's my ringtone. Battery's dying on this one. I'll be back in a sec. Now it's connected to Wi-Fi. It's now updating the Fire. This thing looks nice and shiny. Didn't set up the Wi-Fi on this video because I don't want anyone to know the password. Well, my mum doesn't, to be honest. Just for privacy reasons. Give this a good old polish. Email and mobile number. Not gonna. Actually, I'll pause. Yeah, just continuing the Fire setup. Continue. Just decided to skip the update the Fire. see what else is in this box. Oh, charging cables, that's going to come in handy. And another little manual. Is it going to take a while? We're just restarting the tablet now. Hopefully it should work. Oh yeah, looks nice. Continue. Got to. Don't know if I'll need tutorials. Yeah, exit the tutorial.
Ask questions.
Hmm.
Play music and videos. And
Alexa, get started. Enable Alexa.
try it now. Ask.
Alexa, what time is it? Alexa.
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding right now. Please try a little later.
Alexa, what time is it?
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding right now. Please try a little later.
I was talking to Alexa, Daniel. Yep, that's all my tablet setup. Looks pretty nice. Power off. Right, thank you very much everyone for watching. I hope you enjoy. You have a good day and take care. I'll see you again soon. Right, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.